Hey, this is Sam Vasquez, and I'm going to be doing my Unit 9 solving quadratics. This time I'm going to be doing problem number 5, and as you can see, this is our base equation, and the formula that we're going to want to use is negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4, parentheses a and parentheses c and parentheses, over 2 parentheses a and parentheses. To rooted. So once you plug in the numbers, it will look like negative 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 parentheses negative 10, and of course that's all with um, just combining like terms and multiplying and doing all the exponents and stuff. And so negative 24 times negative 10 is going to be negative 240. And that's negative 240 plus 49, which is 289. And then once you square root that, that will equal 17. So the problem should be negative 7 plus or minus 17 over 12, because 2 times 6 is equal to 12. So it's negative 7 plus 17 over 12. Negative 7 plus 17 over 12 is 5, 6, which is one of our answers. X equals 5, 6. And the other answer is negative 7 minus 17 over 12 is equal to 2. That is our other answer. So the two answers that we're going to get, which is our x-intercepts, are going to be x is equal to 5 over 6, and x is equal to 2. Thank you very much, Mr. Maldonado. Have a good summer break. Hope you enjoyed. All right, I'm gonna miss you.